Yes, I am playing the role of Joseph, father of Jesus Christ.
Hi, I am Shreya. I am playing the role of Mary, the mother of Jesus Christ.
Hi, I am Aditya. I am playing the role of Angel, Gabriel.
Hi, I am Anushka. I am playing the role of Angel. Hello, I am Dimitra. I am. Hi, I am Adin Patel. Hi, I am Sarvada. Hi, I am Ankush. We are the three kings. I am Nakul. I am Lakshmi. I am Umang. I am Dhruv.
I am Jayak.
We are playing the role of shepherds.
I am Ishan. I am the narrator of the story.
Hello, I am Naman. Hi, I am Sahil. And we are the photographer.
Hi, I am Prangya. I am the story writer.
Hi, I am Khushi. I am the director of the play.
This is the story about how Jesus Christ, the Savior of the world, was born. The story begins in Nazareth. In this town, there were mostly shepherds and farmers. Here lived a young Jewish woman named Mary. Mary was very obedient and God fearing woman. Mary was going to be married soon to a good and honest man named Joseph. A few days before Mary's engagement, she had a visitor. He was an angel sent by God from heaven named Gabriel. He called her in sleep. When Mary opened her eyes, she at first thought she was dreaming. But later, when she heard the angel's voice, she realized it was not a dream.
Do not be afraid. I am Gabriel. God has sent me to you. He loves you and you have been chosen for something special. You are fortunate that God has chosen you above everyone else for this special task.
I am not afraid. I am honored that God has chosen me to carry out His wish. I am lucky to be a favor to God.
Bless you, Mary. God is pleased with you and I am here to tell you that you will have a son. He will be a great king and will be loved by everyone. He will be called as the Son of God.
Mary was at first shocked at what Gabriel said. However, she remained calm and listened to everything the angel said. And then she said,
But how is this possible? I am still not married.
Do not be afraid. The Spirit of the Lord will be taken over you and you will be blessed with a son. He will do a great thing for the people and he will be hailed as the Savior of mankind and the King of Jews.
I am happy to have His wish come through me.
The Lord is with you, Mary. Bless you, Mary. Go in peace.
Gabriel then returned to heaven. In a few days, Mary became pregnant. She explained everything about the angel to Joseph, and he believed her and married her in few days. Then the king ordered that every citizen have to pay taxes to him. So Joseph and Mary also have to pay taxes to go in Bethlehem. Joseph and Mary started their journey. It was a long journey. And after few days they finally reached Bethlehem. They were very tired and they desperately needed to place, but all the inns were full.
Can we get a place in your house? My wife's condition is not good. She is very tired.
No, there is no place.
Can we get a place in your inn? My wife's health is deteriorating and she about to give birth. And she is very tired.
No, there is no place. All rooms are full.
Joseph, I cannot resist the pain anymore.
Don't worry, Mary. God will provide us a place. See, there is a stable there.
Joseph used the straw and made a bed for Mary. And there Mary gave birth to beautiful baby boy. Mary was happy that the prediction of the angels were true. Jesus Christ, Savior of this world, was born in a humble manger. At the same night, there were shepherds looking for their sheep. An angel appeared in front of them. The shepherds did not know how to react and were amazed. Then the angel spoke to them.
Do not be afraid. I have come to give you good news. Tonight in the town of Bethlehem, a baby boy has been born. His name is Jesus. He will be known as the Savior of the world. Go to the villages and let everybody know. Do this happy news. Jesus is the Savior of you. Is
The shepherds were shocked and happy at the same time. They were overjoyed about the fact their Savior is born. They went towards Bethlehem to find baby Jesus. When they saw him, they praised him and bowed down in worship. The three wise men who were following the stars also arrived at the stable.
Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gold time bring to crown him again. King forever, ceasing never over us all to reign. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Frankincense to offer have I, incense owns the deity nigh. Prayer and praising voices raising, worship Him, God Most High. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light.
They were amazed to see that the future king was born in a humble manger. They bowed down in reverence to the new baby.
I have brought the gift of gold for Jesus. I have brought the gift of frankincense for the baby Jesus. I have brought the gift of myrrh for the newborn.
These gifts were very valuable and only given to kings. It was highly unusual for anybody to give these precious things to a newborn baby. However, this was no ordinary baby, and the wise men fully understood the purpose of Jesus' birth. And so, you know the story of Christmas and how the mighty Savior of the world started his journey on earth. The story shows us that great things can have humble and small beginnings.